you. Reason why I'm stopping you is you have a headlight out, and then you crossed over the dashed lines at one point on Lake Street.
Please, they're only 9-11.
Okay. Is everything okay?
Yes.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Okay, why are your hands up like that?
No, because I'm just trying to show you I don't have nothing on me or nothing.
Okay. I mean, I can smell it. It's really strong.
A burned-out headlight and a lane departure on Lake Street. Either observation independently satisfies the reasonable articulable suspicion threshold established in Terry v. Ohio. The Fourth Amendment does not require probable cause for an investigative stop. It requires specific, articulable facts that criminal activity may be afoot. Both were present here before the officer reached the window. Once the officer detected the odor of alcohol and observed behavioral indicators, the stop scope expanded lawfully into a DUI investigation. Illinois v. Cabales permits exactly this, provided no unreasonable delay occurs. The exit order was textbook Pennsylvania v. Mims. An officer may order the driver from any lawfully stopped vehicle. No additional justification is required. Full stop.
Hello. How's it going? Are you able to take that out? Thank you. Reason why I'm stopping you is you have a headlight out, and then you crossed over the dashed lines at one point on Lake Street. Where'd you pick them up from?
What
was that?
I said I literally live right here.
Right. Okay. And then do you have proof of insurance for the car?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm able to take a look at that. And this is your car? Okay.
Can I get it at the trunk?
What was that?
Can I get it at the trunk?
The insurance is in the trunk? Oh, okay.
Well, I might have it in my email too.
Where's your phone at? Did you go straight to the city to pick them up, or were you hanging out there for a little bit, or?
You said, did I what?
I was just curious, like, how your night went. So, like, did you?
No, I just get my hair done and I just picked them up.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I didn't.
What was that?
I did.
You didn't? When's the last time you had a drink?
I didn't.
Are you still looking for the insurance?
Yes. I got a paper one though, but I was just trying to look to see if my email, if I get one.
Right. I'll give you a few minutes to...
Can I just get the out the trunk?
It's in the trunk, you said?
I got a paper one for sure.
And you can't pull it up. It's not coming up on the app. Give me...
because I got all these emails.
Right, yeah, you got a lot of stuff to go through. Give me just a second. I will be right back, okay? And then I'll let you see if we can grab it from the truck, okay? But just wait here for now. Can you go and step out for me? You can leave everything there just so your hands are full of stuff.
Please, they're only 9-11.
Okay. Is everything okay?
Yes.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Okay, why are your hands up like that?
No, because I'm just trying to show you I don't have nothing on me or nothing.
Okay.
Literally.
Right, I appreciate that. Are you able to just shut the door so, more cold air doesn't get in? I just have a few more questions for you, okay, ma'am? I know, I understand that. So I'm just gonna check your eyes real quick, okay? Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I do.
Do you have them in right now?
No.
Any problems with walking or balance? Okay. If you could just put your feet together and your arms down at your sides, just like this. Okay. And all I want you to do is follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, keeping your head still. Do you understand? Okay. You still doing okay? All right. Just keep following. Keep doing what you're doing. Almost done.
The officer then deployed all 3 National Highway Traffic Safety Administration standardized field sobriety tests in correct sequence: horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one leg stand. On the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, the officer's instructions were protocol compliant. However, he acknowledged on camera that the parking lot was not well lit. NHTSA guidelines require adequate illumination for reliable nystagmus observation. That acknowledgement is a documented suppression argument. On the walk and turn, the audio captured a step count error on the return segment. NHTSA identifies 8 validated clues for this test. 1 or more clues correlate with a blood alcohol concentration at or above 0.1% with 68% accuracy. On the one-leg stand, the subject lowered her foot before the 30 count elapsed, a scored clue under NHTSA protocol. Her statement, "I cannot stand alone," is now part of the evidentiary record. The subject raised a pre-existing condition defense. She stated she has always walked the way she walks. This is not frivolous. Courts have accepted baseline gait defenses when supported by medical documentation. None was offered here. The preliminary breath test refusal carries its own legal weight. Under Schmerber v. California, breath tests are non-testimonial. The Fifth Amendment does not protect against them. Refusal is admissible as circumstantial evidence of consciousness of guilt. The subject's categorical denial of any alcohol consumption compounds the refusal problem. That denial, captured on Bodycam audio, is now a prior inconsistent statement the prosecution can use if impairment evidence is introduced at trial. Under Illinois' Implied Consent Framework 625 ILCS 511-501.1, any person operating on Illinois roads has already consented to chemical testing as a condition of driving. Refusal triggers a statutory summary suspension of 1 year for a first offense.
Okay, we're going to go up. And one more time. Okay. Now what I want you to do, a lot of cracks in this parking lot here. We'll walk over here. And I just want you to imagine a straight line from where you're standing that just goes indefinitely.
You said just do what?
So a straight line from where you're standing that goes to infinity. Like it keeps going. Does that make sense? So what I want you to do...
Okay.
I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the imaginary line. Keeping your front foot planted, I want you to turn with the other foot, taking a series of small steps. And then I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. I want you to keep your arms down at your sides the entire time. Okay, look down at your feet and count your steps out loud. All right, and just don't stop until you are done with the test. Does that all make sense?
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. And now I want you to stand about where my flashlight is, and then put your feet together and your arms down at your sides, just like I'm standing, and then your feet together. As close as you can go. That's okay. When I tell you to, I want you to lift either your left or your right leg from the ground. Hold your foot parallel, about 6 inches off the ground. Look down at your toe and count out loud, 1001, 1002. Give me 1 second here. Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
1002, 1000.
Just keep your arms down at your sides.
Both of them?
Yeah, both of them. Yep.
1002, 1003.
Look down at your toe while you're counting.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. I can't stand that long.
Okay.
Can I just lean on it?
Pick it back up.
Can I lean on it?
No, you can't lean on that.
The presence of minor children in the vehicle fundamentally altered the legal exposure. In Illinois, operating under the influence with a minor passenger is not simply an aggravated circumstance, it is a standalone Class 4 felony. Under 625 ILCS 511-501, subsection D, paragraph 1. That single fact elevated a standard misdemeanor DUI into a felony child endangerment case under 720 ILCS 512C10. No prior conviction is required. The children's presence alone is the element. Post-arrest, no Miranda advisement was captured on this recording. Miranda attaches upon custodial interrogation, not arrest alone. The officer's post-arrest questions regarding the children in apartment were largely non-incriminating, but any statement elicited after the handcuffs without a documented advisement carries suppression risk.
Just do your best. I'm going to have you walk back towards my car here. You're good. Just walk back towards the front of my car. All right, I just got one more thing here for you. You just decided to bring them back with you for the weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They off school.
Okay, I see. Do you have them every weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm just going to offer you the opportunity to give a breath sample here. So all you're going to do is take a deep breath in.
I'm not.
What was that?
I'm not.
Why not?
I'm not.
What?
Because I'm not.
You said you haven't had anything to drink tonight at all? Okay, so then what's the issue? I guess I'm just a little bit confused.
I'm not going to.
Are you worried that it might be over the limit? I mean, how much have you had? You've clearly had something to drink tonight. I mean, I can smell it. It's really strong. I mean, was it earlier in the night? Like before you left? I'm just trying to piece it all together here. So how much did you have to drink?
I did not drink.
Okay, so then why wouldn't you give a breath sample? That's what it doesn't make sense to me. I mean, if you had just a drink or two, It's not gonna, it shouldn't put you over the limit.
I understand, but I won't.
Did you have more than just a couple?
I did not. I not call somebody leaving, but I understand you said I crossed the line or something. Okay.
Right.
I'm both-legged, here to tell everything. I've been walking like this all my life. Whatever you can say, but I'm not finna do that. Now, can I call somebody to come get them?
I mean, we're not, one step at a time here, right?
You just did 4 tests on me.
Right.
And I walk how I walk. If you get any cameras to come over here, you can see how I walk every day to my
The
car.
whole thing's been...
No. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about just to know that how I walk. But at the same time, I'm fine with it.
You're kind of tying my hands here because, again, there are clear signs that you have been drinking. I'm willing to work with you if it was just a little bit. Well, again, I'm just looking for your honesty, ma'am. That's all. That's all I've been looking for this entire time. But I don't think you've been fully truthful with me tonight. So... I'm just trying to, again, have a clear understanding of what's been going on tonight.
I went and got my hair done. Told them 2 minutes for my hair.
Right. And when's the last time you've had a drink?
I did.
No, the last time.
I did.
So you've never drank in your life? Okay. Go ahead and turn around and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I'm going to have you take a seat in the car here. This one right here. Take a seat behind that blue seatbelt there. Is everything okay? Again, I'm going to make sure. All right. Is anybody home right now in your apartment? They can take care of them. Okay. Who can we call?
Okay, you call.
Her phone number by heart?
Oh, no. I got a cell phone.
It's on your cell phone? Okay. Give me just a second here. Does your phone have a passcode on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to bring it over here. We'll see if we can get in touch with her, okay? I'll get your wallet for you, ma'am, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Are you doing okay otherwise?
I'm coughing.
I know. I'm going to get this door shut. Hopefully you can warm up a little bit, all right? Where do you keep the keys to your apartment?
Hmm?
Where do you keep your apartment keys? Or do you not need them?
On my car key.
Oh, they're on the car key. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. All right.
The officer receives a B. The stop was legally sound. The SFST battery followed NHTSA sequence and instruction. Post-arrest conduct securing the children. Contacting a responsible adult, retrieving the subject's belongings was professionally exemplary. The lighting deficiency on the HGN and the absence of a documented Miranda advisement are the 2 issues that prevent a higher grade. The subject U, a C+. Physical compliance throughout the encounter was consistent and appropriate. The pre-existing condition defense had legal merit and was raised at the right moment. However, the categorical denial of drinking, the PBT refusal, and the decision to transport minor children while impaired are 3 compounding choices that converted a traffic stop into a felony case. Each one made the next consequence worse. Lessons learned. First, when a traffic stop produces a DUI investigation, relocate the subject to a well-lit area before administering the HGN test. Poor lighting is not just a practical limitation, it is a documented NHTSA compliance failure that defense counsel will raise at every suppression hearing. Second, document Miranda advisement on camera every time without exception. The moment handcuffs go on, any question that could be construed as interrogation requires a recorded waiver. Silence on the body cam is not a defense. Third, a PBT refusal is not a shield, it is evidence. The implied consent doctrine means the question is never whether testing will occur. It is only when and under what legal framework, with what administrative consequences. Refusing a roadside screener accelerates all of those consequences, without eliminating any of them. Fourth, the presence of minors transforms the legal landscape entirely. A parent operating a vehicle while impaired is not choosing risk for themselves alone. In most jurisdictions, that single fact doubles the charge count, elevates the felony tier, and eliminates most diversion eligibility. The legal exposure is categorically different the moment a child is in the car. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.